guys, it's maybe, and I have my January BoxyCharm to unbox with you guys today. So we're not going to do a long intro, and we're just going to jump right in. So this is my BoxyCharm. I've already broken the seal on it so that we didn't have to, deal with my clumsiness of breaking seals on the box. The theme this month is Boxy and Chill, and we're just going to jump right in. And first thing on top is the Briogeo. Focus, please. Thank you. Don't despair. Hair repair. This is a strengthening and moisturizing leave-in hair mask that it's like leave-in conditioner, pretty much. I haven't smelled this yet. Oh, it's got a nice smell. Yeah. Okay, I think I've gotten this before in a BoxyCharm, actually. And it's really nice. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to try it soon because I like leave-in conditioners because they don't, the right kind of leave-in conditioner doesn't weigh down my hair. And I have super fine, thin hair. And if you watched my hair video, you know that it takes a lot for me to get volume, which, by the way, look at all this volume I have today. My daughter French braided my hair today, and when I took it down, I had a super bunch of volume, and I used this little texture spray that I picked up at Ulta by Not Your Mother's. This sea salt texture spray by Not Your Mother's. And just because I wanted to try it, and it is giving me that nice, piecey texture that everybody has and I've never been able to achieve, and I love it. So that was a big score for me when I went to Ulta the other day. But I have an Ulta haul coming, so you guys will see what all I got at Ulta, because I actually just went in for my birthday gift and came out with a lot more. So next thing in the BoxyCharm box was a Tarte palette, and I got the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume 3. This is what the outside of it looks like. It's really pretty. Nice little seashells across the top. And the inside is just as pretty. We got a, let me cover my mirror so I don't blind you. There we go. We got a Tarte palette last year, and I think it was volume 2. I wasn't as fond of it. I actually just decluttered it. My daughter took it, and I don't know about this one yet. I'm going to give it a chance and see if I like it, because like I said, I didn't like that one. Well, it wasn't that the formula was bad, it's just that the colors didn't work for me. So I'm going to give this one a try and see how I like it. Okay. The next thing we got was this eye pencil by Starlooks, and it's just a basic black eye pencil. Oh, actually it's not. It's a, okay, I was wrong about this. I haven't actually opened it yet. And let's see if I can swatch this without breaking the tip off of it. Okay, it's going down in there for me. It looks like. It is, what's this called? This is a long wear eye pencil. I guess this is just an eyeliner. It's a really, really light pink shade, though. Actually, I don't know if you'll even be able to see this on camera. Maybe if I turn my hand, you can see it. It doesn't really pick up very well, but it's this really light pink color. I thought it was a black eye pencil. I hadn't opened it yet, but it's actually this really pretty pink color. I'm gonna have to try that. I like it. It was really smooth gliding on the back of my hand. I actually was surprised about that. Wow. Okay. I just thought it was another basic black eye pencil that we get from BoxyCharm all the time. So, yeah, that was surprising. Okay, the next thing I got was a Bite Beauty. Come on, camera, quit reflecting. Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. And mine is stuck in the box. Come out, please. There we go. Is in the shade Pepper. And it's really, really gorgeous. Like reddish color. I don't know how to describe it, but I'll swatch it for you and show you. It's really pretty. Kind of a burnt red color. Really gorgeous. I think that'll be perfect, you know, continue throughout the winter. And even in the, I mean, that's really kind of an all year round color, because it's just like a perfect, that perfect red, but not like smack you right in the face red lipstick. And the last thing in the box is these Tatcha Luminous Dewy skin face masks. And there's 2 of these, which I can appreciate because I like to try a mask more than once. But, wow, let me tell you, these suckers are expensive. So I'm going to go back over everything in the box and tell you how much it was and how much my box was worth. And I'll start with these since I have these in my hand. These Tatcha face masks for a set of 2 is $24. Yeah, $12 a piece for a face mask. For $12, I expect to be glowing to the heavens and have perfectly clear skin. So we'll see what these are like. The Bite lipstick, Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in Pepper is, let's see, it is $26 for a full size. I actually just got a mini one of these as my birthday gift from Sephora in Chai, and it is also a very beautiful color. So I already know I like the formula of this, and I'm glad I got this instead of one of the other liquid lips or something that was the option in the box this month. Okay, the palette, which there were several variations of the palette that you could receive. This one, I think they were all the same price though. This one palette was $36. What am I missing here? Oh, the eye pencil, which it says it's a Luxe Longwear eye pencil, is $19. And the Briogeo, which I looked this up before I did this video, and this is actually like a deluxe size or travel size, however you want to put it. But this is actually the 2-ounce size that they carry, and it's $16. So all of that added together brought my box to $121. Now, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service, and it is $21 a month plus tax. I think they add tax on it, which, you know, $121. You made up the price for your box right there. I mean, the Tarte palette made it up. The Tatcha masks, the Amuse Bouche lipstick, any of those made up the price of the box all on their own. So it's definitely like worth getting the subscription box. It's definitely worth $21. And you know, they do BoxyLuxe now, which I got my first one in December, and it was worth over $350, and I paid $49.98 for it. So BoxyCharm is an excellent subscription service. And no, this is not sponsored. They don't even know I exist. I'm like the tiniest little YouTuber ever to exist. So, but if you enjoyed this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to be a part of my, you know, dysfunctional YouTube family. And I hope that you will also join me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, because I post there more often than I make videos, because honestly it's easier and I'm able to do it more often, because I have a few issues that allow me not to be able to video all the time, but I am able to, you know, take snapshots, post comments, you know, things like that daily, sometimes several times a day on the other platforms. So, you know, like I said, join me on the other platforms also. Everything's makeup, all one word, and I would love to have you as part of my social family. So, you guys have a great night, and I will talk to you in a video soon. Mwah.